Oh, wow. Be still, my beating heart.
Hey, what's the matter with you? They clicked on this video for Finn Balor, not your foolishness. Now introduce the figure.
This is Hector Canales, bringing you a quick unboxing review of Mattel's Elite Top Picks 2018.
Finn Balor! Finn Balor comes in this usual Elite packaging by Mattel with a picture of Finn on the side. On the back, there's a larger picture of Finn, small bio, and the other figures from this series that you can collect. Revealed back in July at the 2018 San Diego Comic-Con, True Effects is said to have unprecedented levels of realism. Let's go ahead and open it. These are easy to open. Right there. I'm gonna go ahead and smell them. Must be all that extra plastic. He smells fantastic. Now let's look at his likeness. If we compare it maybe to a picture of him not smiling, that might come out a little better. Let's take his jacket off. Oh, this is what I hate about the jackets being made out of plastic. It's hard to take off. They give him a smaller body. One thing I wanted to try out was popping out the hands and putting in these extra hands. Oh, good. Thought I broke it. Alright, that was actually pretty easy. I don't think a little kid could do it. I don't think these figures have little kids in mind. So you could pose them. You could, oh boy. I'm afraid some of these figures, articulation is... Oh, come on. And I don't want to break them. There you go. That was pretty good. Let's go through his articulation really quick. Got head articulation, G.I. Joe swivel arm, elbow articulation, hand articulation with removable hands. He's got ab crunch. He's got leg articulation, waist articulation, knee articulation. Everything except this shoulder joint is actually pretty good. Let's see if the ankles can move. Nope. Ankles are pretty tight. Alright, I don't want to break them. So let's try putting the jacket on and have him do his entrance pose as he's doing in the back of the box. Just got his jacket on. It took me a bit and it took a little bit of strength. I don't think kids are going to want to be taking his jacket off and on. Boy, I'm a little out of breath from putting his jacket on. And then the other hand, and let's see if we can do that famous pose. That's what he looks like. Posing, right? Let's see if we could get that in there. No, you cannot. Okay, although he comes with the hands and he look great. Posed in the ring in the corner, you cannot bend his arms up. Look at this. If I try it, I'm gonna tear this jacket. Although the jacket is very thick, but it's not gonna go. It is not gonna go. So if you want to get that pose right there, you're not going to be able to do it with this jacket on. And that really sucks. Yeah, you're just going to have him like this, like he's a little kid and his mom is making him try on jackets. It looks great. It's just, I wish he could do that pose right there. The likeness is incredible. This True Effects, it's doing the job. What I'm starting to get annoyed by is the lack of mobility in certain joints that should have mobility, as in the ankles. This is not the first figure from Mattel that is supposed to have ankle articulation and it doesn't. That shoulder joint, the left shoulder joint, was annoying me and I almost broke it. He comes with a big old jacket that doesn't allow him to do his little pose. So I don't know. It's up to you. I'm actually I'm cool with buying them. I think the likeness on this figure wasn't even that bad. I mean, it looks like him, right? I actually like this Finn Balor, the Demon King, a little more than I like this Finn Balor. I was looking forward to posing him in his jacket on my Elite Scale ring. I'd rather put him in the box and leave him out posing with the Universal Championship. Thanks for joining us on this quick unboxing review of Finn Balor.
No, this is mine. I beat you.
Join us again on our next quick unboxing review of Finn Balor.